baby elephant called calf. So we will draw the baby elephant today. Things required: a scale, pencil, ruler, big ruler, rubber, a small cap, a CD and a bangle. These are the requirements for making the baby elephant. So we will start the work. Take a ruler, big ruler, and keep the below the copy edge and mark the line here for the baseline, and center of the copy we will take the CD and keep in the center of the copy, and we will draw the circle here, circle. After that we will take the small circle, bangle, and we will draw the head of the baby elephant. Like this we will draw the baby head. Now see here, we will draw the ear here. So we will mark the two lines here and take the scale and give the small arc here, lines both the side. Like this we will draw the lines. After that we will take the bangle and keep on the point of this one point and draw the ear like this. Same on the other side also. Like this we will draw the ear of the baby elephant. Now we will draw the zigzag line. You have seen in the when the rain is there lighting on the sky. This is the ear, two big ears. Now we will rub the line, this one. Now we will draw the tusk of the baby elephant. So we will draw the first J, take a bangle and draw the J. Like this we will draw the J, and same as the help of this line we will draw the second line like this. We will join the line like this, and end of the tree we will draw the 3. Like this we will add the drawing, and after that we will Y we will add the lines like this. We will add the lines. After that we will rub this line, draw the eyes here, eyes, eyebrow. After that take a small cap, put the mark here. See the baseline, touching the baseline, opposite side. Take a cap and keep in the mark what you have taken the mark, and draw the circle here. Like this we will draw the circle and touch the line of the circle on the baseline, touching on the baseline. Same on the other side also. These are the leg of the baby elephant, the fourth leg. Like this we will complete the legs. Now my baby elephant is ready. So it is so little, 1 year is old. So we will celebrate the birthday of the baby elephant. So we will put the cap on the head, rub this line. We will draw the birthday cap, take a bangle and make the mark here like this. We will draw the line like this, join the line and make the point here. So we will make the triangle shape of the cap. Put the cap and more the small dot is there on the cap, birthday cap, slant lines are there. After that, without cake, how will cut the cake and make the birthday? We will rub this line. We will rub the line and we will draw the cake for the baby elephant. We will draw the box here, a rectangle box. We will draw the rectangle box. So the same lines, and we will draw the line like this, curved line. After that we will slant line, we will draw curved lines, and we will make the one candle here. Put the candle lighting, and some cherries are there on the cake. These are also cherry are there. Like this we will celebrate the birthday party. And some gifts, somebody has given the gifts. Take a scale and draw the rectangle box or the square box on the baseline. Like this we will draw the square, rectangle, circle, whatever you like. You can add the gift. Big gifts are there, some sizes are big, so you make the big boxes and do the plus here. Do the box like this. Same on the other side. We will join the line. Ribbons are there. Tie the ribbon. Ribbons are there on the gifts, so you can draw the gifts. Ribbon is there. Elephant like to play with the ball, so you can draw the ball also. Take a ball also. Take the hole and join the line like this. So my ball is ready. Draw the baseline to the end of the pages. Like this we will complete the baby elephant celebrating his birthday. 1 year birthday he is old. So like this we will complete the baby elephant celebrating the birthday. Like this you have I make for you in the paper with a pencil. See, like this. And some colors are there. Some colors as you like. You can use the colors. You can use the color by your choice. I have used the grey color for the baby elephant and bright colors for the cap, bright color for the birthday cake, gifts. Ball is here, so you can draw. After that fill the colors like this. Fill the colors like this. See, some dots are white, dots are leaved. I have left the dots. The bright eyes are there. Baby elephant is celebrating the birthday. After that you can make the lines like this. So baby elephant is moving here and there, dancing like this. Baby elephant is moved. And draw some bee, butterfly, whatever you like. Some marks on there. Butterfly is also flying, so you can use your color choice. See, one thing I have done for you more. See, butterfly is there, gifts, grass, draw the grass as you like. Thank you for watching. Subscribe me more for videos. Do like, share. Thanks for watching.